Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so we've taken it up to the green line, the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band, whatever you want to call it. They did it, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. The bears have actually brought it about 30 handles off of that area, again, in the middle of the night. So for us on the East Coast, great move, slept through it. Whatever, no FOMO, move on. What's next? This is really as far as the bears can let it go. This combination of the 20-day in and around, it's 44.59 on the front month chart. It's 63 on the continuation chart. The 63 on the continuation chart matches up really well with the monthly pivot on the front month, which is 44.63. So this whole 44.60 now to 44.72, which is your Globex high. So 60 to 72 is now very important. And the week is almost now, before it even starts, the whole week is about where do we close relative to 44.60 to 44.72. If the bulls close above that area, I think that opens up numbers in the 45s. I think you're going to start to see that lift towards the highs, as we've seen so many times before. If the bears can hold serve, if you can make the Sunday night move the high of the week, and if you can hold it down, and it won't be straight down, it's going to battle. The nice part about it is, like I told you guys last week when they had that middle of the night move, you can't be waking up going, oh, I missed the move. Well, I know. Okay, you're not clairvoyant. You didn't know to be up at 2 a.m. I get it. Neither did I. The takeaway from last night is awesome. The vol is still here. It's still volatile. It still wants to move. It's moving in 30-handle chunks. That's fantastic. Lots of trade opportunities. Buckle up. Let's go. That needs to be the takeaway. You have to change your mindset from woulda, shoulda nonsense to, okay, the vol's still here. The bulls made a move, the bears made a move, and we're basically waking up right about where it was when we went to bed. So with that in mind, this 60 to 72 on a closing basis, if the bears can make that the high of the week, and after some back and forth, bring that in, then really what you got to look at is, you got to say to yourself, okay, now the bears have done it not only back here, they've done it again here. That's a whole lot of resistance at the 20-day. And remember, our very core baseline assessment of the markets. Are we trading above or below the middle Bollinger Band, the 20-day? Trading above is a buy dips tape. Trading below, we're selling rallies. We're selling rallies. Last night's rally, sold. If they can keep price below this area, it is a sell rallies tape. You have to keep that in mind. Now, there's going to be rallies. They're going to be violent. Don't fight them. Either be long them or stand aside. Don't fight them and get stubborn. That's how you get nuked. And then about the time you're diving out of the boat, they tend to come in. So be patient. Don't think that because the bears fought one off at the daily mid-band that all of a sudden they are, masters of their domain. They're the bears, and they suck. So, they suck about as bad as the Giants yesterday. They have a very difficult time executing on a consistent basis. So, being able to hold the daily midband for this entire week is quite a feat if they can pull it off. So that's the number one thing I want to watch this week. All right, let's talk about some numbers. Your new weekly pivot, 43.98 and change. Hourly mid, 44.52. Our proprietary moving average is also there. VWAP, 56.21. Front month, daily mid-band, 59 and a third. Monthly pivot, still 63.58. You got the daily pivot down to 44.3658. So we're trading about 41s right now. We're flat. I'll see where it opens. You got a whole lot of potential resistance above it, starting at 44.52. Wouldn't be surprised if they walked it up into that area into 9:30. You had a nice little failure at 5:30 in the morning at 61, which was right in the area of VWAP, our proprietary average, the front month daily mid-band. That was a beauty. So I'm not that early of a bird, so I did not catch that worm, but that was 60 down to 40s basically. So that's a nice little 20 handles. But again, the takeaway is we still have vol. And if we have vol, we have trades, and making our 4 a day and our 20 a week, and hitting our goals consistently, which is the key to growing your account, is very achievable. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Join the Facebook group, join the room, get better at this stuff. Come and learn with us. We will make you a better trader right now. Take care, trade them well. Talk to you soon. We'll do a midday today.